What are random numbers used for? Well, let's find out. Welcome to the SixSigma.org Random Number Generator. This is a free downloadable from SixSigma.org on the Downloads tab. And the Random Number Generator generates random numbers for a variety of purposes that we'll cover here momentarily. The first thing you want to do when you open the file is make sure that the security warning, we click on it and make sure we enable the content that will enable the VBA that's running in the background to operate properly. And then, like the other templates, anywhere you see a yellow cell that's asking for an input, and so the first question is, how many unique random numbers do you want? Let's suppose we want to generate 7,000 random numbers, and then we want 7,000 random numbers between what numbers beginning with. So the beginning number, let's say it's 1201, and the ending number is 15,000, and then we just hit go. And the subsequent list that's here, there it is, 7,000 random numbers, and they truly are unique and random. Now, suppose you wanted 100 random numbers, and you wanted 100 random numbers between 100, and let's say 1,000. And you just key it in here, and when you're done, you hit go. And there's 100 random numbers between the numbers of 100 and 1,000. So why do you want to generate random numbers? Well, there's a number of uses for this template. We used random numbers when generating, for example, we want to generate a random sample for sampling purposes. Perhaps we want to order the runs in a randomized design of experiments, so we would put those in here. We might want to get a list of numbers for a histogram to see what a distribution of random numbers looks like. Model simulation is another reason you'd want to generate random numbers, and many other uses as well. Now, practically speaking, there are some limitations to this random number generator, and one of the limitations is the number of unique numbers we can generate. In this case, it happens to be 65,536, and if I enter that number in here, and we want to get it between, let's say, 1 and let's say it's 1,000,000, for example. Alright, hit go, and there it is, and we'll be able to see that is indeed 65,536. If we go to one more, if we want one more, notice that it generates a value here, and so we've exceeded the limitation of the file itself. So we'll call that 65,536. The other limitation in the file is the upper number limit, as it were, and it turns out to be 143 million, and there it is. And if 143 million, that should be there, and there it is. So it'll generate 143. It'll generate 65,536 unique random numbers, but the highest number out of that 65,000 you're looking for must be some number lower than 143 million. So that is the random number generator template from SixSigma.org. I would encourage you to go out to the website, SixSigma.org, and there's a number of other resources out there, this being one of them. And also we have a complete list of courses and programs, process improvement courses online as well that you can check out. Thanks for watching the video, and good luck with your random number generation.